Hey everyone.
Hi everyone. We are in Italy in Lake Como. Actually, we are in Como City at the Sheraton Lake Como, which is actually in between Como and Cernobbio. So this was a king room. As you might know, or you might not know, it's very hard to find hotels with king-size beds in Italy. So it was very nice that we were able to find the Sheraton, and yeah, it was great. So really nice bathroom with pretty marble, lots of coloration in the marble, browns and blacks and grays, and there it had the towel rack. I don't know if that was a heated towel rack or not, and I'm really not sure. Then here's the closet. It had a little rack to put your luggage or sit down to tie your shoes, so you could put your luggage underneath. It had a little refrigerator. Here's another part of the closet, and with a little luggage rack and the safe. So it had good storage, lots of storage in the room. And that little bag, I think, was to use for shopping, maybe. I'm not sure, because they don't really give you bags when you go shopping. So they did put out waters for us on the nightstands. There wasn't really any USB ports. We had a kettle, no coffee maker in this room. It had these instant coffees that weren't very good, but it did have my favorite kind of tea, that Demon, those kind of tea bags. I love those. I only am able to find those in Europe. There was a refrigerator, and it was a mini bar, so it came stocked with all that stuff. And there's, of course, a TV, a little desk, nice comfortable chair on the side, and there were outlets next to the beds. Yeah, and there were some, just regular desk drawers, and there were some more outlets where there's the reading material. More outlets there, and I think that was a USB port, so I think there was one in the whole room. Of course, we brought our power converter, and this was a little balcony, and here's our view, very beautiful view of the hills, and right there looking towards Cernobbio, which was nice, and the lake was off in the distance, but you couldn't really see it from the room. But it was just past all of that. So we were in kind of a little residential area where this hotel was. And it wasn't really deep enough to have chairs, but there was a seating area there and one on the other side. And I think that's where people went to smoke, mostly. So, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.